everyone, welcome to this video. Order bumps are useful to increase your average order value. With the Checkout Upsell plugin, you will be able to create attractive upsell offers at the checkout page. The upsell offers could include either complementary products or products simply adding value to the original order. Let's quickly learn how to install and set this plugin up on our WooCommerce site. Before we get into the installation of the plugin, it's important for you to purchase the plugin first. The plugin comes with both free and pro versions. You can find the purchase link in the description below. Feel free to check it out. With that said, let's move on to the actual installation. Once you purchase the plugin, you'll be able to download a zip file of the plugin. After you download the zip file of the plugin, all that you have to do is go to the WordPress dashboard, to the plugins tab and click on Add New. And what we're simply going to do is we're going to upload the zip file of the plugin that we have downloaded previously. So let's go to Upload Plugin, choose File and select the zip file that we have downloaded. Here's the zip file. Let me click on Open. Click on Install now whenever you're ready, and all that you have to do is activate the plugin. Very well done. Installation of the plugin is complete. Next comes the important step, which is to activate license key. Why do we have to activate license key? Is for us to receive updates and support continuously and to have security fixes. Let's first find out where we can get this license key from. You must log into your Flycart account after you successfully purchase the plugin. You will be able to see something like this in your My Downloads page. Under your profile, you will be able to find your download ID or license key. All that you have to do is just copy this particular license key and save it, so you can later use it for the activation of the license key. To activate the license key, let's go back to the WordPress dashboard. Here you'll find something called Checkout Upsell. Let's go to the settings of this particular plugin. And here in the settings tab, the very first thing you'll notice is the license. Once you obtain your license key from the Flycart account, which is this, you can just copy it and paste it here in this box. Upon clicking on Verify, you will be able to notice that the license key is activated successfully. What more? Get the plugin installed today. Thank you so much for watching.